Let us see exercise 3.12, 10th question. Now see the question. The hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 25 centimeter and its perimeter 56 centimeter. Find the length of the smallest side. So in this question, what they have given in a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse they have given. So hypotenuse of the right angle triangle, so that is 25 centimeter and its perimeter. Perimeter means all the three sides you have to add it. So that is 56 centimeter they have given. We need to find the length of the smallest side only we need to find out. So now see the solution. So here you have to draw one right angle triangle. So the right angle triangle, the hypotenuse right angle opposite, that's the hypotenuse side. Okay, so now we can take each side. This you can consider as a this you can consider as a B, and this you can A, B, C, all the sides you can consider. Okay, so in our question what they have given, the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle they have given, that is 25 centimeter they have given. So that means here we have considered as a B only, the hypotenuse side. So that is B is equal to 25 centimeter. After in our question they have given, so their perimeter, that is 56 centimeter they have given. Perimeter means we have to add it all the three. So A plus B plus C. So that value they have given, that is 56 centimeter. Now from this one, B is equal to 25. Here we can substitute here. Okay, so A plus B plus C is equal to 56. You have B instead of, we can substitute 25. Now A plus C plus 25 is equal to 56. Then A plus C is equal to 56 already in that side only. 25 if we bring it to that side mean 31 centimeter you have got it. So now A plus C is equal to 31 centimeter. Next, let A is equal to X. So that means that A, this side we are going to consider as a X. So here already we know that A plus C is equal to 31 centimeter. We know that. Now we have considered A is equal to X means, so this, that X can you substitute here. So X plus C is equal to 31. Then C value also we will get. Okay, so C value what it will come? 31 minus X. Okay, so first in our question they have given the hypotenuse they have given. So before that you have to take A, B, C. So B value, the hypotenuse mean B. So B value we know that, that is 25 centimeter. After perimeter, perimeter mean add it all the three sides. So A plus B plus C, so that value is 56. Now B value you can substitute means you will get A plus C is equal to 31. After this you can consider the A, this side. So this side A value you can consider as a X. So A if you are taking as a X means you can substitute here. So X plus C is equal to 31. Then C value what it will come? 31 minus X. Now here A value is X. C value that is 31 minus X, and the B value what is it? 25. Now this is the right angle triangle. Can you use the Pythagoras theorem or not? So you know that square of the hypotenuse equal to the sum of the square of other two sides. So square of the hypotenuse mean that is 25 square. So that how we can write? A square plus C square is equal to, so that is hypotenuse side, that is B square. Okay, so this is Pythagoras theorem. So you know that square of the hypotenuse, it is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides. So this Pythagoras theorem, so you know that A square plus C square is equal to B square value, you know that, that is 25 square. Here A square what we have taken? X. So X square. So A value X means C value what is it? 31 minus X. So C 31 X minus X means C square. The 31 minus X the whole square is equal to 25 square mean 25 into 25 you have to multiply, that is 625. Now X square plus, here you know that, that is A minus B the whole square formula. So A minus B the whole square formula, A square minus 2AB plus B square. So A value here 31, B value that is X. So A square means 31 square. 31 into 31, that is 961 plus B square. B square means X only. So plus B square mean X square minus 2AB. Minus 2AB mean minus 2 into A value, that is 31 into X. So 2 into 31 means that is minus 62 into X minus 2 into A into B. If we multiply we will get this equal to 625. Now here one X square, here one X square. Now totally 2X square. After X part you have to write X square, after X part you have to write minus 62X plus this part, if you bring it to this side mean plus part, it will become minus. So 961 if you subtract with the 625 means we will get 336. Put it equal to 0. Now in this part also all the two table is common. So see ending with the even numbers only. So that 2 table is common. So 2 commonly you can take it. 2 if you take means here X square minus, so 2 already we have taken. So that is 31 into 2 only 62. So 31 plus here also if you are confusing means divided by 2. So divided by 2 means you can say what number you have to write here. Okay, so then that is 168 equal to 0 will come. Now this 2, if you bring it to that side, so that is 0 divided by 2, so it will become 0 only. So now we have got it, what equation? X square minus 31x plus 168 is equal to 0. Now we know that now we have got it the quadratic equation. So this equation, if you want to solve means you can use the product sum method to solve. So product and sum, what it will come? Here product, here sum, what is it, and the product, what is it? Product, here coefficient of x square and the constant term. So 1 into 168, that is 168. Here the coefficient of x, that is the sum. So that is minus 31. So now which two numbers are possible? Minus 24 and the minus 7, it is possible. Okay, so now while you are multiplying, you can get it this 168. While you are adding, we can get it minus 31. So here variable x square coefficient, that is 1 only, so there is no need to divide. So now the variable x value only we need to find out. So x minus 24 into x minus 7 is equal to 0. Now you know that x minus 24 is equal to 0 or x minus 7 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 24 and the x is equal to 7. Both one we have x value we have got it. So now the sides we have in this question, they have asked to find out what is it. So the smallest side only we need to find out. So therefore the sides of the triangle are, so what are the sides? Other two sides we have got it. Okay, so one side, that b value, that is 25. Other side, what is it? That is 24. After another one side, that is 7. Okay, so here in this 3, which is smallest side? That is this one only, smallest side. So length of the smallest side is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, so that is the answer. Thank you.